Is faced with what looked like the crosshairs of a gun. Our Washington, D.C. bureau reporter Samantha-Jo was inside the federal courthouse and tells us how it all played out.
In this lively court proceeding, Judge Amy Berman Jackson has officially banned Roger Stone from speaking publicly about this case, issuing a stricter gag order. This after he attacked her via Instagram earlier this week. Now, this longtime advisor and associate to the president is not going to jail today. Government attorneys didn't even ask the judge to modify the conditions of his pretrial release. However, the judge says that if Roger Stone should violate the terms of his gag order, that she will revoke his bond pending trial. Our cameras were there as Stone left the court, where earlier he unexpectedly took the stand and apologized for his actions. He said the post was the outgrowth of the extreme stress of the situation and that he thought the crosshair symbols in his Instagram post was a Celtic sign tied to a Colt, not the crosshairs of a gun. While Stone admitted he posted the photo and wrote the caption, he claimed one of his 5 to 6 volunteers provided the photo. He could only name about 4 of those alleged volunteers. Ultimately, the judge says she believes that Roger Stone's actions were deliberate, pointing to his inconsistent statements on the stand today. She said without modifying the conditions of his pretrial release, which his attorneys, Roger Stone's attorneys, were pushing for, that he would serve as a danger to the public. Now, Roger Stone is not allowed to speak publicly about the investigation or any participants in the investigation. However, he is allowed to solicit funds for his defense, and he is allowed to continue to maintain his innocence. Reporting on Capitol Hill, Samantha-Jo, Spectrum News.